guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherilyn. Welcome to my channel, Sherilyn on Food, etc. Today we are going to cook some zucchini flowers. I did a video about zucchini fritters, the fruit itself, but today we're doing the zucchini flowers. I have a bunch of zucchini plants out in my garden, and there's a bunch of flowers that doesn't pollinate and it just fall off the ground and it's a waste. So we'll try to cook them. So let's go start cooking. So first thing first, we are going to mix our butter. The ingredients would be, I have 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup parmesan cheese, 1 cup water, 1 egg, 3 garlic cloves, fresh. We have to mince that, and some fresh mint. We are going to finely chop this, and of course salt and pepper for seasoning. So first, eggs, then our water, next is flour, and our Parmesan cheese, minced garlic, and our minced mint. Of course, our seasoning, which is some pepper. For our filling, we have prosciutto meat and some mozzarella. So to fill our flowers, you just put the meat in like that, and then add the mozzarella, and then twist it a little bit, and then we'll dip it in our butter. So again, we have this, we'll put the meat in, stuff it in there, and mozzarella, then twist the flour, then we'll dip it in our butter later. Our oil is already preheated and it's ready. So what we're gonna do, we'll dip our flowers, stuffed zucchini flowers, in our butter. That's that. Let it drip, and then we'll put it in our pan. This is ready. We'll take it out and put it in a plate lined with paper towel. So we still have leftover butter. We don't want to throw this out. We can still fry these goodies. Here we go, our cooked zucchini flowers. That looks so good and beautiful. I'm pretty sure it's beautiful in your tummy too. Let's see. So these are the zucchini butter that we used, and I fried it also at the same time after the zucchini flowers, and it's tasty. So next time, if you're gonna make some butter, don't throw it out. You can fry it. All the flavors is there and it tastes good. Now let's eat some zucchini flowers. It's so good. Wow. The meat and the cheese in there is really awesome. It's really tasty. And the butter that was mixed with this, wow, it's yummy. You guys should try this. You can probably do this with squash flowers, and it should be equally tasty because squash and zucchini flowers are almost the same thing, same texture, and yeah, you should try it. Highly recommended. Delicioso. Now let's try the butter. It's yummy too. Wow. You're never gonna throw your butter again. Very tasty. There's mint in there and all the flavors. There's Parmesan cheese in it, and it's so tasty. There you go. My lunch is done. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you like it and enjoy this video. Hopefully you're gonna try this recipe. It's really good, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.